Mathematics grade 9 at advanced level. It's an optional second chapter. In this video I'll explain second chapter. It's 2.1 exercise 2.1 first problem. Write an equivalent logarithmic statement for. So here it is in exponential form. We need to write logarithmic form. So here see, according to the definition, if a power x equals n, then x equals log n to the base a. This is the definition of logarithm. Like if a power x equals n, then x equals log n to the base a, where a and n are positive real numbers for some real x, and a should not be 1. Now this, if you remember this statement, if a power x equals n, then x equals log n to the base a. So with the help of this, see the first question here, 5 power 3 equals 125. This, if we'll compare with the definition, a power x equals n. So in place of x we have here 3, and in place of n 125. So the answer will be 3 equals log 125 to the base 5. The same way, second one, 2 power 5 equals 32. So in place of n, here we have 5. In place of x we have 5. In place of n 32. And in place of a 2. So if we'll compare, 5 equals log 32 to the base 2. So in the same way here. Next one, C. Seven power minus 1 equals 1 by 7. So minus 1 equals log 1 by 7 to the base 7. Next, D. 3 power minus 1 by 2 equals 1 by root 3. So in place of x 1 by 2, in place of n 1 by root 3, and base here it is 3. So here the base will be 3. So these all are in logarithmic form. These all. And the questions were in exponential form. Write an equivalent exponential statement for logarithms. So here the questions are in logarithmic form. We need to write in exponential form. So before that, I'll write definition. If a power x equals n, then x equals log n to the base a, where a and n are positive real numbers for some real x, and a should not be 1. So here see, when they'll give the logarithmic form, the exponential form is a power x equals n. So here from logarithm take the base and write the answer of logarithm as power. So see, it's very clear, a power x equals whatever is the logarithmic value, that will be the answer. Now here see the first question, logarithmic form, log 16 to the base 2 equals 4. So what I'm saying is 2 power 4 equals 16. This is exponential form. For the second one, log 81 to the base 9 equals 2. So take the base and write the answer of logarithm as power. So 9 power 2 equals 81. Next, log root 5 to the base 5 is 1 by 2. The same thing. Here base is, logarithm of base is 5. So 5 power 1 by 2 equals root 5. Next, log 1 by 2 to the base 2 is minus 1. So base is here 2. So to write in exponential form, 2 power minus 1 equals 1 by 2. So in this way, from logarithm form to exponential form, we need to convert this. Find the value of log 1000 to the base 10. So here, the first question, I'll consider let log 1000 to the base 10 equals x. Now see, this is in logarithm form. I'll convert this in the form of like exponential form. So according to the definition, if a power x equals n, then x equals log n to the base a. So here 10 power x, see this is logarithm form. To write in exponential form, base power the answer of logarithm equals n. So here 10 power x equals 1000. 10 power x equals 10 power 3. If bases are equal, so I can equate the power, so x equals 3. Second question, log 36 to the base 6. Log 36 to the base 6, I'll consider it as equals x. Now if I'll write in exponential form, 6 power x equals 36. 6 power x equals 6 square. Therefore, the value of x is 2. Next question. Log 64 to the base 2. So let equals, I'll consider it as x. So if I'll write this logarithm form in exponential form, 2 power x equals 64. 2 power x equals 64, I can write as 2 power 6. 64. 2 times 32. 2 times 16. 2 times 8. 2 times 4. 2 times 2. So 2 power x equals 2 power 6. So bases are equal. Therefore, the value of x is 6.